Hello guys, I hope you have enjoyed the previous session about bubble sort algorithm. So today we are going to see how we can now sort a large set of values by using merge sort algorithm. So please first, before starting the session, don't forget to click on subscribe, share and like. Let's first go through what is merge sort algorithm. So merge sort algorithm is an algorithm that divides an array into equal two parts and then combines them in such a manner. So these algorithms comprises two main steps. First one is to divide the given array or list of items into two equal half parts, and again it divides the given subparts into the other parts until remaining with unity of parts, as you can see here. Then after dividing the list, it starts now combining them in such a manner until we got the final one which is sorted. So let's see now how this algorithm can be implemented by using Python. So the first thing that I'm going first to define a function which gonna help me to sort the given list as argument. First thing I have to check if the given list contains one data. If it contains only one data, this means it's already sorted. We have to return it. If it is not the case now, we have to determine the middle index of the list by taking the number of the items, then we divide by 2. Use floor division. Then after I have to divide the list into two equal half parts. The first one as the other one will be equal to now list mid, and the right part will be equal to list mid, then I will call again the merge sort. I will call the function itself to divide again the generated subparts into the other parts until we remain with single unity that can't be divided into two parts. After having the unity parts, I have now to return the merged parts in a sorted manner. So now let me show you how this function merge will work for merging the generated parts. in sorted manner. I define the function called merge. The merge will accept two equal halves parts, R1 and the R2, which is the left part and the right part. First, what to do? We start by defining the list sort array, which is input. This list gonna hold the sorted values. Then first thing I have to check if the length of each part is different from 0. So if so, I will now check, I will compare the first value of the R1 with the first item of the light part. So if now the value in the left part is less than the value at the right part, it means now the first value of the left part is the smaller one. Then I have to append it to the list sort list. We call this. Then I append then I append R1 dot pop 0. So what I do here, I append the first value of the left part, but this value must be automatically removed from the left part. So else I have now to append the right value into the sorted list, and it has to be again removed automatically. Then if we are still having remaining values in the left or the right part, we have to append it to the list sort list. Let me check if the value are still there. I will append this value to the left parts. Then I check if we still have the values in the right part. If yes, we will append this value again to the sorted list. Then at the end, we have to return the sorted list. So let me run this. Now, let me try to come up with an example for testing. Set this list equal to 52, 25, and then then 20. Let me call the merge sort function, then I pass the argument. You see now the given list has been sorted automatically. Guys, this is the end of today's session. I hope you have enjoyed how to sort the large values by using merge sort algorithm in a short period of time. Please, I hope you have subscribed, share, and like. Bye.